Welcome to my classroom. Check this out. Oh, I've got a great window. That's nice, right? Like my normal classroom. Oh, but it's a closet. I am going to transform this closet into my distance learning, teach from home, teacher mom compatible classroom learning space office for as long as we need to. With my dad, he's a high school shop teacher. I never took his class. I'm not as good at woodworking as he is. Hey, Nuari. So my assistant and I are going to get this stuff. Made a list of things that I need. I did the measuring. I need something called battens. I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna go get all the stuff and we're gonna get this thing built. I'm gonna start with just building my desk. Oh, if we haven't met yet, my name is Natalie Priester. I'm a middle school English learner teacher in the Inland Empire in Southern California. I have a bunch of vlogs. There's a link of my classroom and how it works. Kind of took a little bit of a whoop when I got pregnant with him. So they're a little bit older, but you basically see how my classroom normally works. And I'm gonna try to get this closet set up so I can get my classroom functioning and so I can focus without too many interruptions from these guys while I am working from home. Matt Lowe's, mask on so I can go buy my gear. I thought that would be more dramatic. Okay, I found these. It's like almost the exact size I need. And it looks kind of pretty. Changing plans. The guy couldn't cut the other one because it was individually wrapped. So look, I took one of these. See, they're like already pre-cut and then he's just gonna cut it smaller for me. I think I got that one for like 20 bucks. These are those little battens things and I just need to get them to cut them a little bit. Getting it all cut because I don't have a good saw. I'm also going to use fake wallpaper for my backdrop and this looks like it's going to do the trick. Home from Lowe's, it's 3 p.m. It is roasting in my office or closet because it's on the west side of the house and the sun is hitting in here and obviously there's no fan or anything. My piece of wood looks really, really pretty. It's a little snug. The guys at Lowe's are not supposed to cut like precision. I kind of like sweet talked and like was like, please, to get him to cut it closer to what I wanted. That piece is going to float this way across. So see the doors there and then I'll have it floating here. And then I have these 1x2s that I'm going to attach to the wall with studs and these are what's going to hold it up so it is totally floating and I have more foot space. I also have this pretty stain that I'm going to use and the lady at Lowe's said that I can get it as light as I want to pin, light or as dark as I want depending on how many coats I put on. And then this vinyl stick wallpaper is going to go as my background. So it's gonna go against, do you see like back here? And I'll keep it simple. I think I'm gonna put some hanging plants because there's already the like curtain rods and I'll hang the plants off of that. But I'm gonna keep it super simple. My classroom is very, Newton, give me the nails. My classroom is very, very simple and it is on purpose because visual clutter distracts learners. And I think the same thing applies to our online classrooms. And so if I fill up my back shelf with a bunch of really dynamic things, then when I'm talking to the kids, they're gonna be looking at my shelf and not paying attention to me. And I want them to pay attention to me and to focus on my face as I'm speaking. Buddy, what are you doing? Breaking things? Oh, he's showing you. You patting? You playing the drums? Oh, sister can play too. Anyways, it's gonna be simple in here. It's gonna be nice. I have some big ideas, like I wanna have a some sort of a remote control light system so I can signal whether or not they're allowed to come in and interrupt me. And she's old enough to understand a signal, so we'll figure it out. Any fan suggestions, people? Something quiet, so I'm not dying in your feet. Okay, that's all for today. I will keep working on this and I will keep updating and throw more videos up along the way. So if you want to see what my real classroom looks like, check out my classroom setups from 2 years ago, which was the first time I set up my current classroom and it was before I was pregnant. Last year I was 8 months pregnant when school started and so the classroom setup videos didn't happen, but now we have this cute little guy. Okay, everybody say bye. 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 Newton says bye too. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's just gonna do the, oh, okay, see you next time, everybody.